Hello stars, welcome back to my channel T-Star Bakings. I know it's been a while, but I am here. Today's tutorial is on how to make a 3 ingredients homemade butter cookie. Wait a second. Hear that snap? That is exactly what we are aiming for here. Firstly, you need to beat up your butter. You're really whipping up your butter for 3 minutes, and then you can proceed to add your caster sugar or your icing sugar. Well, the main point here is you just need a fine sugar, and then you whip that up until it's this pale. Then you can proceed to add your last ingredient, which is the flour. And for this, of course, you will be adding it in 2 batches because we want to do it safe. Guys, if this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that. And we can proceed to beat our dough. Of course, the mixer was too soft for it, so we had to proceed with our spatula, mix it up a bit, and then of course your spatula would be too soft for that tough dough also. Move ahead with your hands. Knead this dough. We are not making it stretchy, we just need it to come together. So you're kneading your dough so it comes together as a whole. Guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up. After kneading your dough, you would just need to make it into a cylindrical shape like this, so it's easy to cut your cookies down. Of course, you also do not need a cookie cutter in this video. Yep, now after freezing this up, you can easily cut your cookie with a knife alone, like I am doing right now. Beautiful. Yep, the cookie can be a little crumbly, but you need to put that together as you cut it so you can have a neat cookie. 15 minutes later, we have our cookie ready to serve. These 3 ingredients butter cookie is the best. If you love the taste of butter, this cookie is for you. Really, because the taste is so evident. But then of course, if you do not want the taste of butter, then you can always add your flavoring. You could add your vanilla or butterscotch or whatever you want. Hear that snap? We did it, guys. We made it. We have our cookie. I mean, if cookie was this easy, really, do we need to keep buying them? Or we can just make them? For me, I would just make it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time.